It's 30 seconds challenge. Since I'm Japanese, so I'm gonna do in English. So you guys are gonna do it in Japanese. Alright? So let's get started. Well, today's topic is Soko jikara. Actually, this article says that Yoshino-Ya, one of the beef bowl companies, is in debt because of COVID-19. Because worker wouldn't go to this restaurant anymore recently. But they've gone through many difficulties so far. So the market would expect their potential power. That is Soko jikara in Japanese. Alright, shit. Well, it's really hard, but it's the same thing as walk out. You gotta do learning language every day. Anyway, today's key word is Soko jikara. Alright? So see you tomorrow.